Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Smiley Critter Bobby Bearhug in Incredibox Sprunki style. So first we're going to get started with our eye, and on the left hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. We're going to leave a gap in the middle moving over on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. Moving down in the center of both eyes now, we're going to draw in another circle for the pupil of the eye. And then moving up for the eyebrow, we're just going to curve this line around and then down above both eyes. Now let's draw in our nose. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, drawing in a curved line from left to right. And then underneath, we're going to close this off with an arch line. On both sides, we're going to continue to extend this down from our eye, arching that through. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. And then from that middle point, we're going to curve this line around and then up on both sides. Now stepping further out, we're going to draw in a curved line on the left and right hand side. And we're just going to make sure that line connects on both sides. And then now from here on the bottom, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. For the tongue, we're going to curve this line over on the right. And again, we'll replicate that over on the left. Now let's draw in the shape of the head. So we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around. And we're going to bring this over underneath and towards the middle. And then we're going to start back on the top again, curving this line all the way around. And then back in on the bottom, blending that together. Let's draw in the ears now. So for the top of the ear, we're going to bring this line up, curving that in the corner, bringing it down. We're going to move over on the left, replicating that. We're going to move down on the bottom now, bringing that out on a diagonal, curving it, connecting that, blending it in together on the top. Now let's move in towards the middle, and we're going to replicate that shape. So bringing this up, across, back in. For the cheek now, we're going to bring this line around and then in. Moving over on the left, let's replicate that. We're going to drop below now, bringing this line down and then in. Let's draw on the torso. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom, just ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off with a straight line. In the center for the pendant, we're going to draw on a heart. So we're going to arch this line around, through. And then from the center, again, let's replicate that. And then now we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up on both sides, closing that off. Lastly, for the tail, we're going to start on the right-hand side, bringing this line up, around, and then in. And then again, one more time, curving this line around and through towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Bobby Bearhug as an Incredibox Sprunki style. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.